Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In case I didn't for the first time, my name is Grace and you are highly welcome. Today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you natural everyday makeup routine, just like the one I have right on me, but I don't even have earring. I think I should pop in my earring. Oh, this would too serious, guys. Nevertheless, we're gonna have it. So guys, welcome back to my channel. In case I did it for the first time, thank you so very much for stopping by. So if you like this look and you want to see how I achieve it as a beginner, then let's hit into the full video. Before we get into the full video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell so you don't miss out any new video, and let's go. Starting off with this look, I'm going to take my ADS wipe. This wipe is so amazing. It's a hydrated wipe for every skin tone. It's a hydrated wipe and I love the softness from it. It's very small, unlike some wipes that always used to be like a very big hanky. This one is so soft, so transparent, and the whole thing from it is super amazing. So as a beginner, first thing you need to know about your face is that it has to be clean before any product goes in. That way everything will sit comfortable and you yourself, you're going to feel yourself. I am going to feel myself. Yeah, like I'm feeling myself right now. After that, all you need is to prime your face. Not to prime is a prime. So I'm using Pond long lasting oil control because I have like an oily face. Then I'm going to add it with HD Studio Finish primer. Then I'm going to blend all of that into my face. Make sure that you use any one that you prefer using. For me, this has always been the product I use, so I'm not changing it for nothing. So for the foundation that I'm using today is Huda Beauty foundation in the shade of chocolate mousse. Then I'm going to add it up with Mary Kay foundation, which is my shade. This is the shade of bronzer 078. So adding the two together, I'm going to show you how it's going to be looking. Putting the color together, this is what I got. So I'm going to take my beauty blender and start buffing that into my face. I love how Huda foundation used to come out, and most especially the chocolate mousse formula is the best. It's the best. Like it goes with every skin type, skin tone. Like I love it. I love how the fragrance is. Like the fragrance is so sweet. So a little tap to your face is covering everywhere. Guys, look at me. So you want to be blending into your face. Make sure that you don't leave any part of your face hanging. Love to love you, baby. I'm supposed to love the body. Guys, so this is what I'm getting out of this foundation and I'm loving it already. When it comes to everyday makeup, make sure that you use a very less and quality, like a very quality foundation or products. That way you're going to get the best out of your look. Look at this. Yeah, blend to your neck. Make sure that everything is well sit into your face. For the highlight, I'm using Adventure Makeup concealer. I've reviewed this concealer before, but I love the coverage from it, so I'm going to still try that. So the next step is to make sure that you blend it in. So guys, at this point you want to be blending all the products in. Make sure that it sets the areas where you apply your concealer. Go to your forehead if you want to get a very nice view. From there, you set also your forehead. Okay, so the next thing is to apply your powder. And guys, I've done my eyebrows off camera, and the reason why I did that is because I have a very detailed brow tutorial that you can check. I'm going to leave the link either up here or down in the description. Make sure you check it out. You're going to love it. So I'm applying my powder to the areas where powder should be applied on. I think it's everywhere, all over your face, and your powder needs to go round to your neck so that you don't have a different face. Make sure that you blend everything more in and very, very neat. I'm going to take the concealer I used to highlight, and I'm going to use that to just round my lid because I don't want to create any eyeshadow. It's a neutral look and you have to be comfortable. Don't want any too much product on your face. So I'm just going to blend the concealer in. Okay. Okay, blending it all in. This is how it's looking. So I'm going to take my setting powder and set the lid in because you don't want a crease out look. So I'm just going to be setting that in. Make sure that everything you're doing is in a detailed blend, like it's well blended in. Blend very, very, very well. For the eyelashes, I'm using 3D Maze false lashes, and these lashes are very, very nice. I like the way it gives like the starting point of your eye a little kind of freely, then the outside parts is very thickly. So this is how it is. You have like this side which is thicker than this side. Hi guys, so this is what I'm talking about. Look at how the end point of the lashes is very full, then the starting point, which is this side, is very, very tiny, like it's free. Okay, so to bronze my face, I'm going in with Sharamar blush. This Sahara. Guys, I don't know. I'm going to leave it down in the description for you to pronounce. So I'm going to take this warm shade from there. I like how it used to give your face before you blush more in. Like it softens the whole blush in before every other stuff. Look at how it's coming in, like you just build and build and build. But if you don't have this, you don't have to, there is no cause for alarm. Make sure that you use any one that you have. So blushing that in, I'm going to pick this shade and mix it with this. Again, this is Neo and this is Abby. This is Toby. Look at the name, guys. At least I can pronounce this one, which is a good start. Oh my god, guys. So I'm tucking that in. So make sure that your blending is on point. So I'm taking that. I think I should use a smaller brush. This brush has, oh god, I don't know. I'm going to check their link and leave them down in the description if you want to get the brush so you can get it. So I'm sorting that in. I like a red pop nose contouring, so I'm going to take that and be working gently, blend it right to my eyebrows line. The next thing is to spray your face, and the spray I'm using is from Huda Beauty makeup fit spray. This spray is live, like everything. If you don't have it, try to get that. Okay guys, for the waterline I'm going to use the neutral pencil. I don't want a very dark look, and based on the fact that this is a very natural look, you want to use something cool in everything you do. On the look, yes. Coming to the lip, I'm going to use the same pencil. Just using that to line up my lip. So to glow it in, I'm using this MAC lipstick. Max. Guys, I'm going to leave every product that I'm using on this tutorial down. So I'm just going to warm it in. It's broken already, but see, okay. So I'm going to blend it in using this Romantic Male Squeezing and Shine Lip Glow. This one is very affordable. You can get it anywhere. In Nigeria, it's just $150. $1. Oh God, you should give yourself, you should know. So I'm blending that in. Okay, going to add more of that to the lid so it glows more in. So after having that, you want to go in again with your powder to correct any harsh line, so you don't look crazy while going out. That will be a disastrous thing. So I'm blending also the areas where I browse, because I don't want the bronzer to be so opened. Then adding a little bit of that powder to my forehead so that it pop more out. Okay, so for the blush, guys, I'm using Zicky. It's always been Zicky when it comes to highlight. So I'm going to take this shade, then mix it with this. This shade is Dripping in Gold, and this one is Zicky Goldie. Oh my god, like I love how this always comes. So I'm adding these two together, and I'm just going to smile out and raise it in. Look at how we soften in that face. Add a little pinch to it. Then when it comes to my nose, I'm going to soften that in also, so that it glows out a little bit. I like to use the leftover to pop my forehead, so whenever I'm having like a sun all over my head, I'll be having that shiny look. So if you are a beginner and you want something like this, I think you should try it too, because it works for me and I'm sure it's going to work for you. Then this is it. You don't need to look too serious, you just have to look sexy and glowing. So thank you so very much. If you enjoyed this look with me, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn off notification bell so you don't miss out any new video. I'll see you until my next video. Bye. So guys, thank you so very much for watching. This is the final look of my tutorial today. I went back to fixing my earring, and I think I'm looking more better, looking more classic. Okay, so if you enjoyed this tutorial, please share with your friends, share, like, and comment down below. I will see you on to my next video.
And in dark, walk around the neighborhood, feeling blessed, never stressed.